sari kaham tai khulum ka jotono ang sakbai thang bi motum debroma tai ani gana wa chukja dar raju tongo jeng Nagaland ni students je tawo boti bawo sokphai yakhu tefano jeng je bubagra jeno assurance hoka tai jino health ni bagai je nangmani bo khlai ma bagai simono hambai maya faro we would like to thank our bubagra for giving us the assurance for the assistance and also for making many arrangements possible. Without his help, we would not able to make this progress of going back to Tripura. So we, the students of Nagaland, and those who are still standing here, there are around 19 students. Probably most of them are students. Chini taubu Nagaland obo khorok chichuku tongko 19 borok je taubu sokpayako but jeng je bubagrani assurance tai bini je arrangement by kuma contact rok jeng je mang jeng je saimangka jeng 19 no sokpainai amagai jeng bono hambai maru je bosuno bot kuma contact tai financial help bima bagai tai jeng je bono saharnai je jeng contact klai hornai chini boram ganang thagu ronjit jeng bono ba hambai maru jengno bubagrani ojaga bini okokno rohorma bagai tai jeng kubangma borok bo tongo je jengno contact rok klai hoka tai kubangma assurance rok rikha amagi jengno hambai hambai.
And at the last, I would like to say that we are very fortunate that we have Bubagra in this kind of situation. Thank you.